What factors caused the German economic crisis? The biggest blow came from energy supply disruptions. Germany relied heavily on Russian natural gas, and the war in Ukraine caused gas exports to plummet. This sudden scarcity pushed energy costs sky high, forcing factories to cut back production and driving inflation up. Since energy fuels everything from manufacturing to heating, this shock cascaded through the entire economy. Inflation in Germany surged to levels not seen in decades. Driven by energy and raw material price spikes, everyday costs for food, fuel, and goods rose sharply. This squeezed household budgets and dampened consumer spending, reducing demand and slowing economic growth. The European Central Bank's interest rate hikes to control inflation also increased borrowing costs for businesses. Even before 2022, supply chains were fragile due to the pandemic. The ongoing geopolitical tensions and transport delays worsened shortages of critical components like semiconductors. German auto and tech sectors, vital for exports, struggled to maintain output. These bottlenecks slowed production and weakened Germany's competitive edge in global markets. The invasion of Ukraine destabilized not just energy supplies, but entire trade relations. Sanctions on Russia disrupted trade flows, while uncertainty made investors cautious. Businesses faced higher risks and delayed investments. This geopolitical turmoil added a layer of unpredictability that undermined confidence in the German economy. Beyond immediate shocks, Germany faces structural hurdles. An aging workforce limits growth potential, while slow digital adoption affects innovation. The crisis exposed how these deeper issues reduce resilience to global shocks. Addressing these challenges is key to future stability and growth. Subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.